Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you my top 3 nail growth hacks that helped me grow my nails faster in just 3 days. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. First up, remember to keep your cuticles moisturized. Simply apply some coconut oil or a rich cream to them every night before bed. This trick will help strengthen your nails and accelerate their growth. Next, use a straw to wrap your hair around it and tie it off at the top. Gently rub the wrapped hair on your nails for about 15–20 seconds each day. This simple massage will also contribute to faster nail growth. Last but not least, incorporate a biotin supplement into your daily routine. Biotin is known for promoting healthy hair and nails, so taking this supplement can really make a difference in the speed at which your nails grow. That's it for my top 3 nail growth hacks. Give them a try and let me know how they work for you in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.